Imagine you wake up and walk to your kitchen. You try to make coffee, but your machine won't turn on. Why? Because your subscription payment failed at midnight. You run to your car to get to work. The engine is fine, but it won't start. A computer 3,000 miles away has locked your doors because you have a payment due.
If you buy a car that has heated seats, you'd expect to be able to use them on a cold morning, right? Well, some BMW owners now have to pay more for that option.
The FTC, along with the Illinois and Minnesota Attorneys General, is accusing John Deere of holding a monopoly on its repairs for combines and tractors.
You think you own that phone in your pocket? You don't. You're just renting it. Big tech companies have a secret plan to take away everything you own and turn it into a monthly bill. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the black box tech they are putting in your home right now to make sure you never truly own anything ever again. Let's talk about farmers. For 100 years, if a tractor broke, a farmer fixed it with a wrench. Simple, right? Not anymore. Today, companies like John Deere put digital locks on their tractors. If a tiny sensor breaks, the farmer can't fix it. Even if he has the part, the tractor stays dead until an official repairman comes out to type in a secret code. They say you own the metal, but they own the software. And since the software runs the machine, they own the machine. You're just a guest in your own driver's seat. If you think that's as ridiculous as I do, hit the like button real quick. It tells the algorithm that we care about owning our stuff. But it's not just tractors and heavy machines. This trap is moving into your bedroom and your office. It's not just tractors. It's your homework, your photos, and your art. In the old days, you bought a computer program on a disc. You paid once, and it was yours forever. Now, you have to pay every single month. This is the creative hostage trick. If you stop paying companies like Adobe or Microsoft, you don't just lose the app, you lose your files. You can't open your own work. They are literally renting your own talent back to you. If you don't pay the ransom, your work stays locked in a digital jail. This is the craziest part. BMW recently tried to charge people $18 a month just to use the heated seats already inside the car. Think about that. You paid for the car, you paid for the heaters. The heaters are physically touching your back, but a computer blocks the heat until you pay a monthly fee. They are turning your car into a vending machine. But here's the good news. People got angry, they fought back, and BMW actually stopped doing it. This proves that if we stop paying for these tricks, the companies have to listen. But wait, there's something even worse than a seat that won't get warm. Remember that black box I mentioned? It's inside your car's computer. Ford actually looked into a system where your car can repossess itself. If you miss a payment, the car starts by turning off your air conditioning. Then it makes a loud, annoying beeping sound every time you get in to remind you that your payment is past due. If you still don't pay, the car literally unlocks itself and drives back to the dealership while you're sleeping. Your car isn't your friend anymore, it's a spy for the bank. Why are they doing this? Money. By 2030, these companies want to make $1.5 trillion from subscriptions. Huh, that's more money than the entire country of Australia makes in a year. They want to nickel and dime you. $10 here, $20 there. By the time you're an adult, you could spend your whole life working just to pay for things you don't even own. So, how do you stop the death of ownership? Support right to repair laws. You should be allowed to fix your own stuff. Buy dumb tech. You don't need a toaster that talks to the internet. Use free software. Use apps that let you keep your work forever without a monthly fee. Don't let them turn you into a digital slave. Hit the like button one more time to tell the algorithm we want our freedom back. And subscribe to Limitless tomorrow right now, before they start charging you for that too. Thanks for watching.